Oh, Sunday, February 3rd, and we're just waiting on the customer for the 1967 to show up. Should be here within the hour. Dad is really happy of how well this runs now, and so we're hoping that he's happy as well. Only a couple things that need to be done when he comes back. One is put in brakes. This has no brakes, and then I think Dad said manifold gaskets, but pretty much anything that could be replaced was replaced on this machine, and there was just the customer kept us keep on going. It's almost a month in the shop. Wasn't planned, but Dad and Aiden and Randy have got the 55 going here. No, not going, but ready for prep. And Dad's hoping to get the engine in tomorrow. Aiden surprised me, and he actually went ahead. You can't really see it right now, but he varsoled the bottom part here to get all that oil loosened up, and he's gonna scrape out the rest of that crap. And it was just garbage. So Aiden, I'm happy he did that. And it's nice and clean now, or cleaner anyways. And the engine's on the table over here, ready for installation. Dad says he's quite positive everything's ready to go. I think they're going to change the oil before they put it in. But this is some of the crap that came out of the bottom of the red 55. As you can see, it's quite black. And that just drained out of the drain hole down here. So we're just going to wait. Aiden is hauling in wood, and we're just waiting on the customer to show up. So end of day here, a little after 3 o'clock, and customer just showed up. Dad's going through all the stuff that's going on here with the 67 wide gauge. Dad's just showing him all the stuff that he pulled off.
If you want it, you take it. If not, so no.
Anyways, they're gonna go through all the work, and then we're gonna fire it up and get it out of here. So Dad's just gonna show him how to start it up.
Put the fuel pump on, let it run for a minute. That way, you know your carb is full. I don't want to set up the idle too much because it'll all.
So they just opened the doors here, and they're getting ready to move it out. So Dad just hopped in. He's going to drive it out. Oh, what's going on now? Oh, what do you think?
Runs good now.
Yeah, it sounds a lot better. A lot better. So Dad already took it through the field there.
Yeah.
You got a good machine, Floyd.
Yeah.
A really good machine. It's probably one of the better machines we've had in the shop. And you got a good investment there.
Yeah.
And like with all the improvements, like there's very little left to do.
Yeah.
And you're going to notice a big difference with those spring dampers on there. It's going to feel like it's driving through a field of pillows versus busting your arms out of your shoulders. But you got to be excited about fishing with this now, right? I'm sure you're sick and tired of snowmobiles. And then you're gonna, everybody in Easterville is gonna be Everybody in Easterville is going to be feeling jealous.
So you're gonna give me that paper? What
Yeah, it's it. I'll grab it for you here right away. I just want to film this. Ooh, shit. Got caught on the ladder. What the hell is going on here now? Get that bar out of the way, just in case. What the hell is going on here? This thing was running smooth. Okay, so month in the shop, and happy to see it get back on the trailer and out of here.
Is that off?
That's
Oh, for the tailgate.
this one here.
We'll make the one.
That little piece came off here.
Okay, happy customers, they're out of here, going back to work tomorrow, and we'll see them on the next trip. Okay, thanks for the business, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so 55 is got lots of space now. We're gonna move this up. They're gonna drill a hole here. I thought we had a drill hole for the winch, and we don't. So we're gonna drill a hole here, and then we're gonna winch this into place or move it ahead, because they're gonna try and install that motor tomorrow. So it's gonna be a busy day for Dad and Aiden, and it's February 1st, so there we go. Oh, there's all the kids right here. Charles in charge, Filipino Emily, Nina Pinta Santa Maria, and Yeti the Yetters. Oh, what a nice warm day we're having here, eh? Yes, beautiful day. Great kids. Oh, I just love my neighbors. Yeah, hi Yeti the Yetters.